Parksville.
What up, guys? Get straight into it today, man. Boneyard lawn service. And today, let me tell you, I ain't gonna take that you guys remember that big nursing home I showed you? I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna show you why though. Got a real good reason. Got this text yesterday from a lady who owns about, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's about 16 properties right there. So I'm ending up taking that. And I want to talk to you guys today about we're gonna do some real numbers. I just got done with my first one. It was a 50, well 40. So I'm headed to another one now. Stop to get me a bag of ice for throwing this cooler, man. It's got hot today. But I'm gonna tell you, man, why you shouldn't too much worry about who's supporting and who's not supporting you. Don't worry about that, man. Don't get into the numbers with that, and don't worry about that. I've been doing this YouTube thing for about a month now, and I'm gonna tell you, when I first started, I didn't want to like promote this thing to a lot of people. I just wanted this thing to grow organically. But I had about 7, 8 close people I figure I share it with, and just, you know, help, you know, guys check out, try to support the channel. Well, let's say it's been about a month ago. Between 7 of those people, I've maybe lost 5. 5 of them had called me back. One sent me a text, I don't need your services anymore. So, but you see what I just got? I got a text right there with 16. I lost 5 and I got a text message for 16. Then I also got another call yesterday from a guy who needs his stuff estimated, so it's 17. So, man, don't too much get caught up in who's gonna support you and who's not gonna support you. You know, and you can't get mad at it. To each his own. You know, you got people you watch, people you follow, and people you like to do business with. And there's people that you don't watch, people you don't follow, and there's people you don't like to do business with. So don't get caught up in that, man. Stay on the mission. You're on a real mission here. And the mission is you're serving people. No matter what you think, man, we got a lot of people who depend on us. I don't care if you got 3 yards. If you just got 3 lawns, those 3 people are depending on you to show up, do the job, and they're dealing with you for some reason. And don't forget that. And if they've been dealing with you, and they keep a smile on their face, happy to see you, man, those are the type of people you want to keep around you, man. Just a little support. I'm gonna get to the next one. I'm gonna stop, grab me a bag of ice, man, grab me some fruit, and I'm gonna get you guys some footage today. Last couple days, man, I ain't been able to get out like I want to get the footage. It's been so hot, and I was caught up, man, behind the rain. Grass has been extra thick, so I'm gonna get you guys some footage today, man. Got number 2 taken care of. This is a 50. So gonna go through it today with the real numbers. He wants some mulch put down, so we're gonna figure out a job. Figure out a price, estimate all that, get all this done, and figure out how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna holler at you in just a second, man. We're gonna go to number 2. Well, number 3. We want number 2 right now. 50 for this one, 40 for the first one. Going to the next one now. We got another 50 headed to it. All right, as you can see, it is about, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, blinks. I don't know why it blinks with the camera. It's right at noon, and gonna go over here and take care of this one right here. This is a guy who's been with me since the first time also, and go knock him out, man. Him and his wife have been sick, and they just now got over everything. And they're doing pretty good now, but they had the neighbor who was cutting the yard for free. The guy across the street was helping them out, cutting the yard for free. And they told him, never mind. They wanted me to come back. Man, I'm telling you. Watch how you treat people, man. Treat your customers good. The customers are who make you. Just like my subscribers, man, y'all make me. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, man. And let me knock out this one. Get to another one, man. We about halfway through it. Got that last one done, fellas. I'm gonna go stop now. Got 1, 2. I got 3 people I gotta stop to pick up some payments from. Yeah, I'm gonna go take me a lunch break. Yeah, like I said, it's crazy. Yesterday I had somebody say I didn't even have a real business. You know, I just laughed it off. It's all good, man. It's crazy, you know. If they really understood what you can get out here and get, servicing. I just cut, trim, and blow, basically. You know, so I'm trying to pick up the other services this year, but I cut, trim, and blow. I just started adding, start spraying service while I spray for weeds, but man, I can just imagine what I'd be making if I offered everything else. So it's crazy. People, they joke when they see a guy out there with the lawnmower and not even know what's really going on. But it ain't everybody's business, man. And like I say, I do it to serve others. And yeah, I'm a subscriber, so I gotta keep y'all with the good content and the good hot stuff coming all summer. So that's Boneyard Lawn Service, man. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like. I'm gonna holler at you in just a little second, man. It's been one today, fellas. You see that sun falling? I've been out all day. It's 6:51. Left the house at 8 o'clock this morning. Be getting it in, man. They say it ain't a real business. Guys, I'm tired. Stay on your grind and get it, man. Boneyard Lawn Service, man. Hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, hit the likes and subscribe. I'm out of here, man. Show you the numbers, man. Tomorrow we're gonna show you the numbers. I did about what I do today, what I do. Hold on, man. I ain't gonna get y'all out of here yet. Hold on, I do that every time, don't I? Let's see. Hold on, let's count it up, guys. Hold on, let's count it up real quick. Give me 1 second. I need to set the camera right here. Hold on, let's count it up for today. We're gonna count it up. I told you I was gonna give you some numbers. We gotta do a live count. Okay, we got, what we got here? Got a $40 check, 120. Hold on. I gotta count it like this so you guys, you know what I'm saying? This is how you like to see it. You know what I'm saying? Hold on 1 second. 3, 20, 35, 45, 45, 55. Hey man, that's a $500 day exactly. You know, I hit the number. Man, Boneyard Lawn Service, man, I'm out of here.